Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? This is Muhammad from the reading course, and in this final video on the reading course we're going to discuss how to read the Quran. So first let's discuss something. The Quran is different from reading Arabic. So Arabic is being controlled by the Arabic reading rules, and that's it. But in the Quran is being controlled by two rules: the Arabic reading rules and the Tajweed rules. Tajweed, it's the science of saying the Quran as it was descended to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So right now, you already have the reading rules. The Tajweed rules, that's a whole nother story. But I will introduce to you this version of the Quran. It's called the Tajweed Quran. First, let's try to read as normal. So we have here, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdu lillahi Rabbi Al-Alamin Ar-Rahmani Ar-Rahim Maliki Yawmi Al-Din Iyaka Na'budu wa Iyaka Nasta'in Ihdina الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Okay, this is the reading. Right now, I've just applied the reading rules. Now, let's try to discuss the Tajweed rules, which is the most important part in the Quran. So here, we have 8 colors. Each color represents a specific rule that we need to do. Alright, so here, this is called 6 beats voweling. It means what? It means the letter that has this color, you will stretch it to become 6 beats. And this color, it will be 4 to 5 beats. Okay? And the orange and yellow is 2 beats. Alright? And this one, the green one is 2 beats. Alright? The gray is completely hidden. Any letter that has the gray letter, it will be completely hidden. And this one, it's an echoing sound. We'll be discussing it in the Tajweed part. And this one, that's a whole nother story. We're going to leave it for now. So right now, 6 beats, 4, 5, 2 beats, 2 beats, a hide. Alright? So let's try to look in here. So that means it's 2 beats. That's 6 beats. And this one, we're not going to discuss it. So, and the gray is silent. So, wala الضالين. You see how it went? ولا الضالين. 6 beats, 2 beats in this one, and the gray letter was hidden. Right? So the Quran, yes, you can read it right now, but you still need the Tajweed rules. So my recommendation to you, and I always do that to all my students, that we start from chapter 30. Alright? We start from chapter 30 in the Quran. So now we are at the end of the Quran. So you start from Surah Al-Nas, normal reading. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ مَلِكِ النَّاسِ إِلَهِ النَّاسِ. If you can do this 2 beats, that would be nice. If you can do this one 2 beats, that would be perfect. This one is if you can do it 2 beats here, 2 beats here, that would be perfect. But if you feel comfortable doing that. If not, it's right. Keep reading. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ. The short surahs, and go up until you finish chapter 30 reading. After chapter 30, you're now entitled, or you are now qualified to start the Tajweed classes or Tajweed course. Tajweed is a very close science and it's very short. You'll understand it and you'll continue reading until you finish the Quran. Okay? This is my advice to you when it comes to the Quranic reading until we meet each other, inshallah, in the Tajweed ruled classes. Alright? Take care of yourself. Thank you for finishing this reading course, and see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.